Hey folks, how we doing today? Okay, we got PQR. It's a right-angled isosceles triangle. Basically, we got to show that, that's prove it. So we need to know what these words mean. Right-handed or right-angled is 90-degree angle, and an isosceles, at least two sides are equal in length. Calculate the area. To calculate an area of a triangle, it's 1/2 base times the height, especially if it's a right triangle. So all I got to do now is find out the lengths of all three of the sides and then figure out whether the two of them are the same, or show the two of them are the same. And then what I'm going to have to do is probably use the Pythagorean theorem to prove that the three sides a squared plus b squared equals c squared create a right triangle. And then once we have proven that it's a right triangle and isosceles, what we're going to do is use the formula 1/2 base times height to figure out the actual area. So why don't you go ahead and pause this and do those things, and then start back up again when you're ready. Okay, thanks for doing that. All right, so we're going to use the distance formula, which is x minus x squared plus y minus y squared, and then we take the square root of both of those things. Keep in mind, when you do minus a negative, it's the same thing as addition. The other thing is, keep in mind that a lot of people will write this formula with x1s and x2s and stuff like that. It doesn't make a difference what order you do the x's and y's in, so you can subtract them in whatever order you're comfortable with. Anyway, what I'm going to get is that the two sides are both square root of 34, and the hypotenuse is going to be square root of 68. And if I use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, that's obviously going to be true. So I know this is a right triangle, and I obviously have two sides that are equal to each other, so it's obviously an isosceles triangle. And in order to figure out the area, I just plug in the formula, and I'm going to get 17 units squared. All right, thanks for watching.